Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Okay, so all signs. So by elements tayo ngayon. Oo, para sa messages and energy check, reading, okay, and prediction na rin. Okay, so syempre before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang, okay? And yes, don't forget na mag-follow sa atin pong FB page, okay? And kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, message lang po kayo sa atin pong FB page for more info, okay? Okay. So, by elements, okay, unahin natin si air sign. Okay, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay, so if you're a Gemini, a Libra, or an Aquarius, you are an air sign. Okay, you're an air sign. Oo. Yeah, ayan ang mga air sign pagdating sa zodiac. Si Gemini, si Libra, at si Aqua. Okay, so ano bang meron for you? Messages and energy check-ins and yeah, predictions. Okay, for air sign, please. The Knight of Pentacles. Okay, what's your spending? Okay, air sign, narinig ko Libra. Watch your spending. Okay, the Eight of Swords. Oo, Eight of Swords in reverse. And the Four of Wands. Too much responsibilities. Oo. Parang kang open na open. Air sign. Oo, parang walang nakaharang pagdating sa kaperahan mo. Labas, labas, labas. Parang ganun. May chance na pwedeng iba sa inyo gumastos para sa bahay. Okay? Yeah, that's prediction. Yung iba sa inyo, sa date na nakalagay sa title, may chance na bumili pang decorations, magde-decorate bukas. Or merong renovations na gagawin tomorrow. Sa bahay, sa salas, mga ganan. Okay? Yeah, improvement ang nakikita ko rito. Okay. May iba rito ha. Pagdating sa kaperahan, no? Some of you parang may hihingi, like may hihingi tulong or what. Katrabaho, member ng family. Okay? Parang kang open na open or open sila sa iyo. May mga sasabihin. Yeah. Okay? Ano tong Knight of Pentacles? What's with the Knight of Pentacles? For air signs. Yeah, the Four of Pentacles. You need to save more. Okay? Some of you needs to stop spending. Hindi na watch your spending. Stop na. Limitahan nyo na. I don't know why. Okay? I don't know. You need to save more. Save more money. Okay? What's with the Eight of Swords in reverse? Yeah, the Chariot. Okay. Yung iba rito, pwedeng magse-save. Okay? Para sa travel. Yeah. Merong mag-aanyaya bukas. Or kapag nakita mo to, pwedeng may mag-aanyaya sa'yo. Okay? Celebrations, may pupuntahan, party, kasal, okay? Birthday, mga ganyan. Basta may occasion. Four of Wands, please. The Judgment in reverse. Oh. Pero iba rito, pwedeng hindi sumama. Okay, masyadong busy. Okay, yung iba sa inyo, mayroong mga itatapon na gamit. Okay? May mga itatapon na. I don't know kung ano. Gusto nyo isa-isahin natin. Okay, so yeah. Basta anything, may itatapon ang mga air sign. Okay? Pwedeng bukas, pwedeng kung kailan mo ito mapanood. Okay? Yeah. So, Some of you, meron ditong energy ng earth, fire, air, Cancer and Scorpio na parang moving on. Okay? Meron ditong parang nire-release yung sarili sa isang connection. And hindi na para magbalik. Iba rito, may nakikita ko ritong may magma-migrate. Hindi to agad-agad ha. Yes, this is for the future. Parang may magma-migrate. Doon na maninirahan, hindi na uuwi sa Philippines. Okay? Some of you because of your work. Okay? Or pwedeng meron doon kang mapapangasawa. Okay? So, yun ang ating reading for air signs. So, next. Okay, fire signs. Fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, so, if you're an Aries, a Leo, a Sagittarius, you're a fire sign. Okay, you're a fire sign. Kasi may mga nagtatanong, ano pong sign yung ganyan. Yan, okay? So, fire signs, anong meron for you? Messages, energy check-ins, and predictions, okay? The Ace of Swords. Clarity. Messages coming. Okay? Solutions. The Two of Chalices. An offer. There's an offer. Some of you, leveling up. Okay? Some of you, meron ako ditong nakikitang may mag-open up pagdating sa emosyon niya. Yung iba rito, pwedeng mag-open up regarding partnership, mga ganyan. Okay? Mag-open up. May mag-offer. Okay? Yan, the Five of Swords. Oh, meron ditong maguguluhan pagdating ng offer na yan. I don't know why. Yeah, the Devil. Okay. So, pwedeng meron ditong air sign, water sign, ang parang naguguluhan. Like, kausapin ko kaya, mag-open up kaya ako. This person is like, you're renting free sa kanilang ulo, no? Sa kanilang utak. You're renting free. Oo. Okay? Inisip ko nito malala. Yeah. Okay. Before kayo kumuha or sabihin nating umuo or humindi sa isang offer, siguraduhin nyo muna na hindi kayo confused. Okay? Na hindi kayo masaya, hindi kayo malungkot, hindi kayo galit. Dapat neutral. Okay? Before kayo gumawa ng decision, pwede kasi may decision na gagawin or agreement. Before kayo gumawa, dapat neutral lang. Okay? Ace of Swords. What's with the Ace of Swords? Yeah, the Five of Chalices. A solution. Yeah. Meron ako dito nakikitang solusyon. Okay? Sa kung ano mang arguments meron. Some of you may makikipag-ayos. May makikipag-usap. May arguments dito. Yes. Ano tong Two of Chalices? The Nine of Chalices. Ito specific. Meron ditong magsasabi ng I need space. I need space. Yes. Okay? What's with the Five of Swords? What's with the Five of Swords? The Queen of Swords, yeah. A decision. Like, utak ang papaganahin, bawal ang emosyon. Okay? Some of you may offer kaperahan. Yung iba dito talaga may promotion ako nakikita eh. No, ayoko lang maging specific. Pero yes, may promotion ako nakikita. May mga pipirmahan. Before kayo pumirma, tingnan nyo, check nyo. Okay? Bago kayo pumirma-pirma. Ha? Yun pala, may nakalagay doon, magbabayad ako ng 1,000 kada buwan. Ha? Okay? Oo. Bago kayo gumawa ng kasunduan or what, no? Or pumirma man. Okay, mayroon ako dito nakikita may pipirmahan kayo. Fire signs. Okay? Di mo alam, pirma ka ng pirma. Ha, baka makulong ka. Oo. 'Di ba gano'n yung sinasabi? Oo. Basahin mo kahit mabilis lang, oo. Okay. So, yeah. Okay. Next is water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay. So, if you're a Cancer, Scorpio, or a Pisces, you're under the water sign. Okay? Under kayo ng water signs. Okay? So, kapag sinabi ko nga, water sign. So, yun. Matik yun. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay? So, okay. Anong meron? Anong message for you? Energy check-ins and predictions. Okay. Anong meron for water signs? There you go. The Six of Swords. Okay. The Two of Pentacles in reverse. And the Page of Chalices in reverse. Yung iba rito, like may malalagpasan na parang message. Okay? May message ako ditong nakikita. Pwedeng hindi nyo mababasa. Mababasa nyo na lang late na. I don't know kung ano yun. Yeah, the Chariot. Okay? Some of you pwedeng anyaya or what? Okay? Like a message, not pwedeng iniintay mo. Okay? Or an offer na hinihintay, pwedeng lumagpas. I don't know kung ano. Meron ditong person na gustong makipag-ayos or gustong makausapin ka, pero ang tingin niya is like na-drop mo na siya totally or lumalayo ka na talaga. Okay? What's with the Six of Swords? Some of you may iwan, lalo na kung aalis ka tomorrow sa date na meron dyan sa title or sa kung kailan mo mapanood to, meron kang may iwan. Double check. Okay? Double check bago kayo umalis. Six of Swords, the Three of Chalices in reverse. Yes, may energy rito ng reconciliation pero hindi na lang. Okay? Yung iba rito parang maiiwan ng friend. Yeah. Parang ito specific. Okay? Meron ditong mga kaibigan nyo na pwedeng hindi kayo isinasama sa mga usapan nila. So, hindi kayo updated. Okay? So, meron dito magtatampo. Ay, may ganun pala kayong lakad. Ba't di nyo kayo in-inform? Nakakatampo naman kayo. Parang ganun. Okay? Parang sila-sila lang. Yes. I don't know why. Yeah, the Two of Swords. Some of them you need to avoid. No? Some of them, kailangan mo silang i-avoid. They're not genuine. Ha? Ano tong Two of Pentacles in reverse? Hindi ko sinabing lahat, ha? Okay. Ano tong Two of Pentacles in reverse? The Ace of Chalices. Bakit meron ditong marireject regarding love offer? Yeah, the Ace of Swords. Ooh. Ooh. Meron ako nakikita dito parang like real talk, no? May mari-real talk dito, water sign. I don't know. So pwedeng may tendency na merong mapahiya. Okay, may mapahiya, friend, mga ganyan. Okay, so parang yeah. The Lovers is here. So pwedeng kakonect mo. Okay, tapos konting arguments, yan. Okay, be careful sa mga bibitawang salita. Okay, kasi yes, kapag nabitawan mo na yon at medyo hindi maganda, pwedeng ma-forgive, pero hindi mafo-forget. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so yun lang. An offer. Ace of Chalices, Ace of Swords. Yeah. Okay. So, next is Earth Signs. Earth Signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Okay, so Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. If you're a Taurus, if you're a Virgo, if you're a Capricorn, you're under the earth sign. Okay? The earth sign. Ayan. Kapag sinabi ko earth sign, yeah, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn yun. Okay? Yes. Ano naman kasi kapag sasabihin ko, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. Diba? Anong message for you, earth signs? Energy check-ins and predictions. The Ten of Wands. Oh, masyado kang busy. Maraming responsibilities. Maraming gawain. Oo, the Three of Wands, universe. Nakakita ko dito back pain. Back pain. Okay. May magli-leave sa work. The Queen of Pentacles. You need to focus more on your health. Earth signs, okay? More on your health. Wag masyadong paka-stress, wag masyadong parang lagi nilang pagod. Okay? Minsan kailangan yung humiga-higa kahit papano. Death in reverse. Yeah. Okay, antong Three of Wands in reverse. The Hanged Man. Yes, sabi ko sa inyo, kailangan nyo magpahinga. Kahit konti. Ha? Earth signs. Ayaw natin masasacrifice ang ating health. Okay, mahirap na. Okay, Queen of Pentacles. The Tower in reverse. Yes, parang porke maganda yung pakaramdam, yan. Babaliwalain, no? Yung pagod, ganyan. Tsaka lang papansinin kapag andito na. Andyan na. Yung sumasakit, yan. No? So, focus more on your health. Earth signs, okay? So, Ten of Wands, Death in reverse. Nakita ko rito, ang daming gagawin. May mga babaguhin, okay? In general. May mga babaguhin. Pwedeng sa workplace, sa bahay mo, may mga responsibilities na pwedeng babaguhin. Okay? So, the Three of Wands universe, the Hanged Man. This is, talking about resting. Okay? You need to rest more. Okay? Hindi pwedeng kailangan palagi kang kumakayod. Oo. Daig mo pang kalabaw. Okay? Oo, minsan kailangan mo magpahinga. Ha? Oo, hindi masama magpahinga. Bukas naman kasi babalik ka ulit 'di ba? Oo. Huwag kayo mag-overwork. Tinatamaan ako dito. Okay. So, yeah, share ko lang, 'di ba? Yes, may mga responsibilities dito na minsan kailangan niyo mag-no. Okay. Kailangan nyo mag-no. The Queen of Pentacles, this is someone who is so forgiving, nurturer, parang ganyan. I can always do everything. Yan. I am the one. I'm the one. Always present, always available. Yan, mga ganyan. No? So, minsan, kailangan nyo magpahinga. Lalo na, nakakaramdam ako dito ng breadwinner. Breadwinner. Okay? Kung kailangan nyo i-pamper yung sarili ninyo, i-pamper nyo kahit minsan. Kung kailangan nyo magpamassage kayo. The Three of Wands is here. In reverse. Okay? Kung tutusan, likod yun. Meron dito may mga sumasakit ang likod. Aminin nyo. Kakatrabaho. Hindi naman masama mag-work, no? Pero, yes, kailangan minsan, pahinga rin. Okay? Hindi naman tayo robot. Robot nga, nalulubat, nasisira. No? Katawan pa kaya. Okay? So, meron dito, meron ako nakikita pa na parang someone, something like someone, a mother figure. Pwedeng, I don't know, like, feeling niya unappreciated. Feeling niya na hindi siya na-appreciate. If you're, meron kang mother figure, father figure, or may buhay ka pang magulang, minsan, lalo na kung malayo, no? Minsan, alalahanin nyo, kamustahin nyo. Okay? Kumustahin nyo. Kung wala naman na, dalaw-dalawin nyo sa puntod. Okay? Hindi naman pwedeng sa November 1 lang palagi. Kung may time kayo, No, oo. This is someone who is like nasa kabilang buhay. No, meron ako nakukuhang ganyan. Okay? So, ina-advise rin niya na huwag ka rin masyadong magpagod. Ayaw niya nun. Okay? So, masyado ng maraming responsibilities, earth signs. Okay, so yun lang ating reading for you. Okay, so don't forget to like, share, and follow and subscribe. Okay? So, yeah, thank you. Bye!